Hi there, this video covers a post-publishing protocol for Open Victoria. So for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm not going to be publishing a post, but I'm going to be showing the steps to perform when you're going to be copying and pasting. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to add a new post. It's worth noting here that if I were to actually publish this and delete it, it would send a message out to all of the newsletter subscribers. So you don't want to ever publish a new post and delete it in a tutorial. All right, so I'm just going to call this whatever. So the steps I'm going to be doing here are just going to be showing you the framework of what you should do. So you should always title every post. This is the biggest. I have a document here. I'm on a Macintosh computer, so it doesn't translate perfectly. But I'm copying everything, and I'm going to paste it into the field here. Now, the error the other day caused by copying and pasting from Microsoft Word into the editor here, I'm trying to replicate it. And the step that you need to do, we are in the visual editor here. If I go into the text editor, it actually shows you all of the character returns and all the stuff here. So in the case of this is from a Mac computer, so it's not going to have all that gobbledygook, but you always want to go into the text field of the post to ensure that there's no gobbledygook in there, and you can delete it and it will keep the formatting of the post as normal. All right, the other important steps to follow are selecting a category and fleshing it out with tags. Something really useful is having the most used tags that you can just click and there they go. They're just automatically populated here. And setting a featured image is really important. Having a site with something really appealing is what's going to make people really interested. Now, from a search engine optimization standpoint, which is in essence allowing people to more easily find the site, there's custom excerpts, which is basically a 150-word summary of the post. You can add a subtitle of the post to give it a little bit more journalistic flair. As well, in this section, I sometimes do this. You can duplicate the meta description as the excerpt, or just add a different meta description that is 140, and also create a different title that's going to go at the top of the page if you want to add something more than what the article is called. There's some other features here that you can add. I won't go through that in this tutorial, but just to circle back to what I talked about here, which I hope is going to be preventing all errors. It's this jumping between the visual editor and the text editor that's going to allow that final step of ensuring there's no gobbledygook that's going to be sent to our newsletter subscribers. And to ensure that I'm not going to send this to anyone, I'm going to click this button, move to trash. And there it goes. Gone to the trash. All right, that's the end of the tutorial. If there's any feedback you can give me about what you want me to address in future tutorial videos, please do, and keep on rocking in the free world.